welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a little bit of new stuff, new makeup that I haven't shown to you guys, and I want to just use them with you guys and also like get ready with me because I want to go out. I want to probably go to Home Goods and look for some nice decor for the room, or maybe some organization, because I want to organize my makeup stand. And that is new. You know, Home Goods is like a little treasure place that you can find nice little stuff and it's unique. So let's get started. And so I want to start off with don't mind my hair, it's kind of puffy. I want to start off with some moisturizer. My everyday moisturizer, as you guys know, since in my channel, I've been using the Dior moisturizer, my oldie but goodie moisturizer. I'm also trying out this Clinique. I just bought this recently. I'm excited to try this. I tried it I think last night, and it's like more of a gel consistency, and it's not oily. It dries quick on the skin, so I feel like the skin hydrates it and sucks up the moisture that this moisturizer has, which is pretty good. So let's see. It's a Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel Hydrant. That's this one. You know what? I'm gonna use this one today, and I just leave this one for tonight, because that's more of a higher end luxury moisturizer. I'll use 2 full pump. It really do feel hydrating, and like it's morning. Today's Monday morning. It feels cool as well. For primer, I just got this new Smashbox, the Hood Witch, the Photo Finish Love Ritual Primer Water. This is in Jasmine and Rose, which is really nice. It smells amazing. It smells very, very good, which I really like. I like scents stuff, and I think my skin loves it too because it doesn't get irritated. So let's apply this to prep the skin. It smells good. It's not strong either, which I like. Use this Charlotte Tilbury foundation. This shade is in 4.5 medium. Yes, medium moyen, something like that. So this is the packaging of Charlotte Tilbury. It's very nice. I did an unboxing on this a few items that I bought from Charlotte Tilbury. It's beautiful. So I guess I'll put this here. If you want to go check that video out, you could, it's already uploaded. I probably will put a link down below about the Charlotte Tilbury unboxing that I did. I'm gonna use this Eco Tool brush. I love Eco Tool brush. They're so earthy, like good for the environment. I love everything that is good for the environment. Eco-friendly. I'm looking a little pale, but it's okay. We're gonna warm this up. Let's use this Tarte concealer in shade medium sand. Medium sand or medium honey. Medium sand. Medium honey is like my regular skin tone. We're good. Concealed. Now to set under my eyes and my entire face, I'm going to use this Laura Mercier powder, setting powder, and this Eco Tool brush. I love to look matte and set because my skin is oily, very oily. So I love to stay matte and add a lot of powder because it makes my makeup last longer. So that's why I add a lot of powder. Now to bronze up, I'm going to use this Too Faced Natural Face. When I saw this at Ulta, I wanted it so bad. I already used it, but I left it in the box because I don't want it to get messed up. Is this one right here? Beautiful. It has a big mirror, and this is the shade. Beautiful palette. It smells very good. It smells like vanilla. Use this fluffy brush to bronze up. Now for blush, I'm gonna use this one right here. Oh, the one that I used was Sunny Honey. So for my blush, I'm gonna use this Pink Sand. I'm gonna use this one. I used this one to bronze up, so I'm gonna use this one for blush. For the eyes, I'm going to do something very simple, minimal. I'm going to use the same palette and use the same bronzer and bronze up. Anastasia brows. For the brows right now, I'm gonna do curl my lashes. Let's curl these lashes. I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury mascara. This is full fat lashes. Curl, volume, separation, length. So let's see how this works. It gave it some volume, which I like, and it's not clumsy, and I like that too. For lips, I'm gonna use this lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's Hot Gossip Lip Cheat. So I'm gonna overline my lip with this lip pencil. That I'm thinking to use. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. Always On. This liquid lipstick right here. I'm thinking about this liquid lipstick, or this Charlotte Tilbury Nude Kate. This is a little nude. That one right there. Or this other one from Charlotte Tilbury as well, in Sleep Cindy, and this is more of a pink mauve undertone. I don't know which one to use. Like, this is a neutral look. I'll probably go with this one. Sleep Cindy. variable dusky spray, so everything could melt down. Alright guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Excuse my swatches. And this is my final result. This is a quick on the go makeup look using new products. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you like this makeup look, and if you have any of these products, please let me know on the comments below. I would like to know and how well you like them. So this will be it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.